transducer. So, sa mga thyroid, sa breast, sa obstetrics, usually it's a linear array. Yan. 57. What ultrasound frequency selection is best for early pregnancy sonography? Yan. So, it's 5 megahertz. 5 megahertz. Ano ang sonographic sign uli kapag early pregnancy? What is the sonographic sign if it's early pregnancy? Double what? Double decidual sac. Diba? Double decidual sac. 58. In scintillation materials, the term doped, ba ito? Shanty dope ba ito? Dope is sometimes used instead of, ano yung ibig sabihin ng dope? That is activated. Diba yung scintillation crystal, like thallium activated sodium iodide crystal. So dope is another way of saying activated. 58 is boy, activated. 59. A diaphragm is a blank. It's a specular reflector. Diba? Specular. Or rather, pag sinabing mga specular reflector, it reflects sound because of its smooth surface. Diba? Reflector ito because of their smooth surface. Specular reflector. Another type of reflector are diffuse reflector. So, hindi sila reflector or non-specular. Next, 60. Blank pitch and blank slice result in blank patient dose. Ano dapat ang pitch, slice, and patient dose? That would be lower pitch, thinner slice, higher patient dose. So, yan yung relationship nila.
Sorry. Po yung...
Sorry.
Same po siya sa BND. Yung choices po, BND. Pareho po siya na...
BND. Lower thinner. O nga, no? Okay. So, either B or D is correct. Check nyo na lang. Nahilo na yung gumawa. Sorry naman. So, yan. Either B or D is the correct answer. So, lower pitch, thinner slice, higher patient dose.
Pero sir, tanong lang po, ang letter C parang parehas pa din naman din po, diba? Kapag the higher the pitch, mas magiging thinner ang slices, mas magiging campo, lower ang patient dose.
Actually, oo. Sabi sa inyo, hindi ako gumawa ng exam na to. Pero ano kasi yan, mga exam bank kasi yan. Tatawa na lang ako. So, pwede rin. So, basta at least from there, at least you see the relationship between pitch, slice thickness, and patient dose. So, tama rin yung C. Diyos ko Lord. So, kikita niyo yung mga exam, mga pinapa-exam sa sa board exam. Ganyan yan. Ganyan yan. Kinuha lang namin yan sa exam bank. Ayan. 61. Actually, hindi ko lang siya na-review kasi yun lang yung binigay nila ngayon. Anyway. 61. It is an orthogonal set of parallel thin wires used to define treatment fields. So, saan ito ginagamit? Sa radiation therapy. So, this is your field-defining wires. Parang pang landmarking. Pang landmark yan. Pang instead of the tattoo. So, field-defining wires ginagamit. Para ma-define mo yung treatment fields. Yes, Spencer. You have a question? Or napindot lang? Okay. Baka napindot lang ni Sir Spencer. Okay. 62. What term is used to describe onset pain while scanning over the gallbladder? Murphy's. Walang kamatayang Murphy's. Alam nyo na yan. Na, yung iba dito galing sa 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 coaching ko. Ayan. Pansin nyo ba? Okay. Okay lang, Sir Spencer. No problem. 63. Describe a normal variant of the liver in which the right lobe of the liver extends below the lower pole of the right kidney. Again, this is Sir Riedel's lobe. 64. Condition characterized by anterior protrusion of the lower sternum and xiphoid process. This is pigeon breast. Pigeon chest to eh. Sige, pigeon breast. Push mo yan. Pigeon breast. Pigeon chest yan. Okay. Anong another term ng pigeon chest?
Carinatum.
Pectus carinatum. Diba? Kapag yung funnel chest, ano naman tawag?
Pectus excavatum.
Yes, pectus excavatum. Yan. Pero ano yan let me correct this one. Pero ito na yung best answer sa choices na to. Pigeon chest, not pigeon breast. Okay. 65. Which of the following best describes ostitis deformans? Ayan. Pag may ostitis deformans, mix sclerotic tsaka lytic. Pag sabing sclerotic, may build up ng buto. Lytic, may destruction ng buto. So, combination. Mixed areas of sclerotic and lytic. Ostitis deformans. Ano nga ulit yung other naman? Ostitis deformans. Nalala nyo? Yes. Paget's disease. Okay. 66. Which of the following correctly describes the acute cholecystitis in cholecystography? Okay, cholecystography. So, nuclear medicine, diba? So, pag may inflammation, diba sa NUCMED, basta inflammation, walang image. Okay, walang image. So, cold spot within the gallbladder. So, ibig sabihin cold spot, wala kang nai-image na gallbladder. Yan. Buong gallbladder nawawala. Ganun ang behavior sa nuclear medicine ng mga inflammation. Kaya meron tayong dedicated scan for inflammation and infection. Again, that is your gallium-67 citrate and indium-111 WBC. Diba? Okay. 67. The radiographical feathery appearance suggests the existence of what intestinal pathology? Feathery, this is sprue. Or what is another term for the sprue? What's another term for the sprue? Letter C. Celiac disease. Diba? Celiac. Okay. 68. In its severe form, a stovepipe colon may develop characterized by absence of haustral markings and flexures. Yan. Sa ibang books, sabi lead pipe. Sabi naman dito, stovepipe. Basta pipe. So, this is ulcerative colitis in which the haustral markings are absent. Diba? I think this has been asked previously in the board examination. Yan. Stovepipe, ulcerative colitis. 69. Which pitch setting will increase the risk that pathology may be missed as a result of undersampling of the anatomy? Tandaan, kapag may ma-miss out ka kapag tinataasan mo yung pitch mo, tsaka yung slice thickness. Yan, kasi nga, ayun, undersample, kulang ka sa data, kulang ka sa slices. Yan, so yung pinakamalaking pitch yung pipiliin mo. So, pitch 2.0. 69, dog. What is the correct city number of gray matter? That would be 40 plus 40. Pag white matter, what is your answer?
C.
C. 45.
45.
Again, para di ka malito, gray, letter G, lesser alphabet, so 40. White matter, W, 45. Pwede rin sa color, di ba? If it's gray, mas mababa yung Hounsfield unit. Pag white, mas mataas yung Hounsfield unit. So, 40, 45. Okay. 71. Numeric expression of the decrease in radiation intensity that follows transmission through matter. Okay, this is your linear attenuation coefficient. Okay, linear attenuation coefficient. Okay, linear attenuation coefficient. So 71 is boy. Which technique in CT is used to view vessels as demonstrated in CT angiography? Okay, sa pag mga angio, CTA, tandaan, this is maximum intensity projection. MIP, maximum intensity projection. Yung multiplanar reformation, that's when you generate your coronal sagittal oblique slices. MPR, coronal sagittal oblique slices. Mga CTA, maximum intensity projection. Okay? 72, that's boy. 73, which type of reconstruction filter would best improve spatial resolution? This has been our discussion since our lectures in CT, di ba? So, kung gusto mong taasan ang spatial resolution, you need to use a low-frequency convolution filter, which is also known as your high-pass filter. Diba? And the way by which you improve your spatial resolution is what we call edge enhancement. Diba? Edge enhancement ang tawag. Okay. 73, that's letter C, 2 and 3. 74. Which of the following correctly describes Smith's fracture? So, Smith fracture, there should be a transverse fracture of the distal radius with anterior dislocation. Smith, anterior dislocation. Tandaan. 74, that's boy. Kapag posterior dislocation, anong fracture yan?
Cole's fracture.
Yes, Cole's fracture. 75. The radiologist wrote in the radiographic report, small avulsion fracture of the anterior-inferior aspect of the glenoid rim. Okay, there is avulsion fracture in the glenoid rim in the scapula. Ang tawag doon ay Bankart lesion. Bankart lesion. 75, letter A. Bankart. Pag heel sacks, nasa ang fracture? Pag heel sac,
Posterolateral.
aspect of the anong bone?
Lateral.
Nasaan ang fracture?
Humerus.
Humerus. Yun. Kasi medyo may mga nalilito rin dyan. Sa pag-Bankart, ang fracture nasa scapula. Glenoid rim ng scapula. Tapos pag heel sacks, posterolateral aspect of the humerus. Yun. 76. What is the radiographical representation of osteoclastoma? Osteoclastoma, that would be large radiolucent lesions with thin strips of bone between. Okay. Osteoclastoma. Letter C. 77. What type of fracture involves the dense and good extend in the lateral mass or arches of C1. Nasabi na dito, di ba? Fracture of the dens. You know, another term for the dens is odontoid bone. Di ba? So, odontoid fracture. Anong best projection to demonstrate odontoid fracture? What's the best projection to demonstrate odontoid fracture? Open mouth. Open mouth axial projection. 78. In herniated lumbar disc or slip disc, which structure is weakened or torn? That is your annulus fibrosus. Is the annulus fibrosus on the outside or on the inside of the discs, of the lumbar disc? Outside. That leads that the nucleal pulposus will be sipped to the outside. Diba? So, napunit si annulus fibrosus. 79. In nuclear medicine, which of the following is emitted by the radionuclide to form the image? Lahat yan, kahit sa SPEC or sa PET, it's always the gamma rays. Gamma rays, in nuclear medicine, gamma rays are used for imaging. Which imaging method will more likely provide a series of images that demonstrate blood flow in specific organs? So if you are after blood flow or perfusion in nuclear medicine, di ba kailangan mo dyan ng video? And a video scan in your gamma camera is what we call dynamic. So 80 is C. Planar or static, they are the same. Just like taking pictures of the organ in nuclear medicine or using your gamma camera. Dynamic is video, SPEC is 3-dimensional. 81. Which of the following radiopharmaceuticals is given to reduce the function of thyroid gland in cases of hyperthyroidism? And this is your iodine-131 sodium iodide. Iodine-131 sodium iodide. Ito rin ang binibigay sa mga pasyente na may thyroid cancer. So iodine-131 is also the therapeutic radiopharmaceutical for thyroid cancer. 82. In PET imaging, which of the following radiopharmaceuticals is used